track, then by now would have you wrapped up so tight. You and me, we're not meant to be. It was like the moon and the stars didn't fit into place on their own, on their own. It all goes, that's something we all know. We all try to follow, had to leave you hollow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It all goes, that's something we all know. We all try to follow, had to leave you hollow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not everything that's shiny is gold, but that glossy lipstick should taste it like it could hold my thoughts till the morning. But a cup of tea's enough to let me know you're not my cup of tea, and I ain't tryna bluff. I mean, I'll probably make you blush. Just what I expected when I run my fingers by your necklace, undressed and I'm building that. All that tension, pardon me for reminiscing, but baby, I got to mention that we're not too alike. If opposites attract, then by now would have you wrapped up so tight. You and me, we're not meant to be. It was like the moon and the stars didn't fit into place on their own, on their own. It all goes, that's something we all know. We all try to follow, had to leave you hollow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It all goes, that's something we all know. We all try to follow.
This top part kind of like pulls back and gives me like a cat eye effect. All done with my makeup, all done with my hair. I made some goji berry, turmeric, ginger, and horsetail tea. So I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna get dressed and then we'll go to the gym. See you there.
All right, so today is shoulders and we're starting off with a single arm rear delt fly. And I really love this one. This machine, because I want my wrists in line with my shoulder, this one kind of goes up at an angle, but I'm gonna have my hand placement down here and I'm gonna turn my hand like this. Sometimes I'll have my hand like this, but today we're gonna face our hand outwards. Did 12 reps. With this one too, I really want to focus on dropping my shoulders, pulling my shoulders away from my ear throughout the entire movement. Oh, 12. And I forgot to do my warm-up, so I'm going to do that in between my most favorite warm-up that you guys have seen before. All right, I added some weight just because I'm going to try to hit like 10 reps this time. Ooh. Eight. That's what I got too. Yeah, I'm trying to stay square too. I don't want to be moving my body like that the entire time. This makes it a little more challenging. Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we've moved on to seated lateral raises, and we're gonna superset it with front raises. And in your working sets, I'm aiming to do, or in my working sets, I'm aiming to do about like 8 reps each. Okay, right into front raises. Yeah, so before I do every exercise, what I like to do is breathe out all the air from my lungs and then hold my abs tight, almost as if like someone was going to punch me, and then try to keep this throughout the entire exercise. Keep my abs like, yeah, make sure you still breathe. Don't completely hold your breath. And I like to just focus on breathing through my nose, but in and out of my nose. All right. All right, so I decided to stick with the same weight because this isn't something that I would grab like a super heavy weight with. I actually just want to focus more on my form and mind muscle connection. So I really want to keep tension on my rear delt through the entire movement. And I want to start with my rear delts. You don't want everything to fall forward. Basically control it on the way down and then on the way up. Try to keep tension throughout the entire movement. Oh my goodness. I fatigued pretty fast. All right, so this next exercise is a seated neutral grip hammer press. And with this one, I have some lighter weights so I can show you guys. But basically what you want to do is have your hands neutral the entire time. You don't want them facing out or two in. I like to basically have them facing to each other the entire movement. Push straight up, and I like to think of it as dropping down on my shoulder. So just try to draw a line from pushing up to the ceiling and back down to your shoulders. Just like that. Now, I had to show you with lighter weight because I don't think I could talk you through with this heavy weight. All right. Okay. Core tight. Engage. Woo! Okay, it's a good 10 reps.
So sorry that the audio cut out on this clip, but what I was trying to explain was that for this incline rear delt variation, instead of having your palms facing each other and then moving them laterally, instead position your palms facing behind you and then start the movement by keeping your arms straight and then just pulling straight back, really squeezing your rear delts.
I got chalk because my hands are always so slippery for some reason. It has to be obviously because I wear my oil on my body. Okay, we went up to 30 pounds. Just gotta get mentally prepared for this. And then we'll knock out, I'll try to get to 10 reps. 8 to 10 reps. All right, everyone, so that is the end of the workout. It was like super busy in here today. Hopefully you guys were able to hear me and the music wasn't too loud. But I hope you enjoyed the workout. I hope you guys try out some of the things that I showed you. As always, I love seeing the comments. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.